Hello and welcome to English coaching class. I am an English teacher, Shayyad Ashikur Rahman. Students, good evening you to all. I hope everyone will be in good mood and good place and good state of mind. This is my wish for everyone. I have revealed a mystery in the introduction class of mine in my last class. I have revealed a mystery. This is the mystery of no other man, that is Ivan. That is Ivan. So mystery, we are going to reveal how he's playing the tricks with the law, with his mind, and the one rule that is working, that the rule of friendship. Okay, whatever you have, if you're a good friend, then everything is working in your favor. So with this idea of friendship, and we have discussed so many informations in the last class, that was introduction class of Ivan tries an O level. This is the first video, first part of the chapter, that is Ivan tries an O level. This is line-wise explanation. Students, before going for the discussion of line-wise explanation, as for the formality, as for the discussion, I will say that just share as much as possible. News subscriber watching my channel, don't forget to subscribe and do show me your love by pressing the like button. Okay, and don't forget to press bell icon. Whenever I'll be uploading my videos, you can get it. Okay, so this is the part 1 of Ivan tries an O level. Okay, so let me bring screen on your screen. Okay, screen means here the chapter page, the chapter where I'll be discussing the topics and line-wise explanation. Okay, the screen is on in front of change the new screen on your screen. Just check it. Yeah, here we are. Here we are, students. Ivan tries an O level. Ivan tries an O level. Students, I have made you very clear. The Ivan is the name of a main character, protagonist. We can say the here of our chapter. Ivan, what he's trying? He's trying to do an O level. What is O level? It's a course. Course of basic language, where we need to develop a basic language. Basic language, here basic language refers to the German course. If you're learning English, English is a foreign language, a new language for you, and you are learning the basics of English. Similarly, if you are learning what the basics of German, this is the O level course. Okay, so this is the just an introductory idea, short information, what I have already discussed in our last class about the title in introduction class. So I'm not going to elaborate that, but I'll come to the direct to the topic of elaborating the lines. Before you read, should criminals in prison given the opportunity of learning and education? Yes. Do you think, students? I need your opinion. I need your opinion, students. What do you think? Should criminals in prison be given the opportunity of learning and education? Yes, students, active with me, attending the class with me. I need your answers. So what do you think? Do you think they should get a chance of learning? They should chance of getting educated? Yes, sir, true. Yes, sir, should be given. Okay, yes, sir, they should get a chance. Yes, sir, sure. Okay, I am getting the answer. So many students are writing the yes, they should be given a chance to learn. Yes, students, still this, what we can say, the crime, we should eradicate the crime, not the criminal. Criminal, if we'll kill the criminal, it won't be the solution. We are going to improve the wrong deeds inside them, will make them into good deeds. Our motivation should be that. What is the way? What is the channel? Basically, it's a way of education, way of learning that one can be changed. We have learned this idea in so many topics. So, okay. So you have learned this in so many topics. So today, okay, with those ideas, let us begin what the discussion of characters first. Who are the characters? The Secretary of Examination Board. Next, the Governor of HM Prison, Oxford. James Ivan, a prisoner. Mr. Jackson, a prison officer. Mr. Stephen, a prison officer. Students, in our last class, I have shared in the part of characters, Mr. Jackson is a senior prison officer and Mr. Stephen, newly appointed prison officer. Got it? Clear? The Reverend S. McCleary, an invigilator. Mr. Carter, detective superintendent. Mr. Bell, detective chief inspector. Okay, got the character details? I hope the characters will be saved in your mind. If it is saved, it will be helpful for you to understand the chapter. Okay. Yeah. So students, here in the textbook, some few short questions are there. And when we'll be discussing our discussion, or we'll be doing the elaboration or analytical discussion of the chapter, do after the completion of the chapter or the part, whatever the questions will be coming into it, you try to write and do practice. If you have doubt, ask me. If you've written, show me, I can correct and I can give you word virtually in WhatsApp and mail. You can use and you can come up. So it was, yeah, let us begin. All precautions have been taken to see to it that O-level German examination arranged in the prison for Evans does not provide him with any means of escape. The chapter starts with giving a short introduction about Ivan. All precautions, all measures have been taken to see to it that the O-level German examination, the German examination was arranged. What was the examination? German examination, O-level basic examination, arranged in the prison for Ivan, and does not provide him with means of escape. Means there's full tight security. He cannot escape. He cannot play trick to go out from the jail. Okay, I hope you have got the basic introductory or informatory ideas, whatever it is shared in the beginning of the chapter. It was in the early March, it was early March, means beginning of the March, first week of the March, when the secretary of EVA examination board received the call from Oxford prison. Who gave the call? Students, who gave the call? Remember, who is receiving the call? From Oxford prison, the call is going to the examination board. Who is the person receiving? The secretary. The secretary of examination board, he is receiving the call, and call is given by or from Oxford prison. Got it clear? And the man who is representing or who is speaking in the favor of Oxford prison is governor. Okay, in charge, we have the in charge of that prison. Here is the person name is governor, is designated or is governor. It is slightly unusual request, governor, but I don't see why we should not try to help. Okay, it's something different. It's not a regular request what we are going to do it. It's something unusual request you have done it. But I don't see why we should not try to help. There's no reason that we should not help him. Okay, just one fellow you say. How many are there? Only one who is going to appear the exam, and there's no tension for it. So we can help one boy to appear the exam. Okay, got it? I hope you understood, students. Next, here in the part, that's chap called Ivan. Okay, the chap refers to that's the boy or the representing a name. That's the chap called Ivan. Started night class in O-level German last September. So what he has done it, he just started the night class. See, students, as we are having the classes in the evening. Similarly, Ivan is having the class in night class. Okay. O-level German last September, means the year they are going through, still September has not arrived. That means September is coming soon, and means last September represent that last year they have what started the course September. Means what? That is O-level German. Okay, and students, here we can see it is in the early March. Means this is the beginning or the beginning of a year. January, February, March, third month is going on of that year, and the course they've initiated is in the month of September. Okay, 11th, so 10th of that month. Okay, October, November, December. Okay, 12 is, yeah, it's a 10 of that month. Okay, so September is what he has done it. He has started the process of learning the course of O-level. So says he's dead keen to get some sort of academic qualification. Says he's dead keen. Who is he here? Students, those who please pay attention, make me aware. Who is he here? I need you must be interactive, you must be active and listening to me and definitely answer. It's a lengthy chapter, don't get confused. Say he is dead keen to get some sort of academic qualification. Says he is dead keen. Who is he here? Students, yeah, come on, quickly answer me in the chat box. Let me see who is he here representing. Yeah, someone is answering. Yeah, Ivan. Yeah, very good, Arpan. He represents to Ivan. He's dead keen to get some sort of academic qualification. So who is the person? Who is the speaker here? Who is the speaker here? And to whom the speaker is speaking? Who is the speaker here? Who is the speaker? Quick reply should come up. Yes. Who is the speaker? Yeah, quick students. Who is the speaker here? Yeah, I need the answer. The conversation is going between the Oxford prison in charge, that is the governor, and there the other side, who is that? The speaker, listener, the secretary of examination board. So here the speaker is, who is speaking this part? Governor is speaking to secretary. Is he good? He was the only one in the class, so you can say he has had individual tuition all the time. Say students, when there is a class, means number of students are more, not 1, 2 or 3. Tuitions were 1, 2 or 3 or maximum 5, where individual collection will be there with the students and teacher. Teacher understands students and students understand the teacher. Where at the same time students can share, ask personal question to the teacher and teacher can answer and reply and have go, or they can continue the personal talk. But when it is a general class and it's more than 5 or 10 or 20, so what happened there? It is not a formal class. So here when it is a 1 or 2, it is not a formal class, but when it is more than that, it becomes a formal class and teacher cannot be personal. So that's why the writer is making it. He says he has had individual tuitions all the time. Really means he is a one and only students, and he has connected a good rapport connection with the teacher. Would have cost him a packet if he had been outside. Packet means he's not going to give a big packet to this. Packet represent that he would have paid good amount when he would have taken outside. Okay, if you would be traveling outside or going to learn outside, it would be good, heavy amount would be charged to him. Okay, well, let's give him a chance, shall we? So they're discussing, let's give him a chance. Okay, shall we? Yes, that's jolly kind if you exactly the procedure now. So he's asking, what is the procedure at present? That's a good kind of you. You're kind-hearted man. You're a good mood. You are okay. You are making. You are helping other. So what he's asking, what is the procedure for this taking into or giving into the examination? Oh dear, don't worry about that. I'll send you all the forms and stuffs. I'll be sending you all the forms and stuff. What is his name? Says Ivan. Okay, what is his name? It's Ivan's. James Roderick Ivan. Name even seems him the big. Okay, someone is having. So name is quite big and it sounds rather heavy, grand. Okay, just one thing, Governor. He is not a violent sort of fellow, is he? So he's asking, is he a violent one? I don't want to know his criminal record or anything like that, but I want to know whether he's a violent or not. No, there's no record of violence. Quite a pleasant sort of chap, the teller. It's quite a pleasant sort of chap. No violence in his name, any record. But bit of a card means who plays tricks. Okay, so he's a bit of card. Really, one of the star of the Christmas country. He was famous. He was a star of Christmas concert. Imitations, you know that something sort of thing. Okay, you know the what is that imitation? What is he imitating? You know, some sort of thing. Mike Yardwood stuff. He's like a Mike Yardwood stuff who try to take the what that image attraction come to the light. Okay, so like him. No, he's just a cognital kleptomaniac. Yes, students, this point you need to understand. Cognital kleptomaniac. Cognital kleptomaniac. Okay. So what is it? Cognital kleptomaniac. Students, see, I in the last class when I gave the introduction, I told you the tricks of robbery you might have seen in the movie Dhoom. Okay, where Amir Khan, John Abraham, and Hrithik Roshan, they are performing with their different tricks what they have. But here in kleptomaniac means act of stealing. Okay, but act of stealing means, say for example, I'll be telling. Suppose you have so many books in your hand. You have holding so many books in your hand. Okay, you're holding so many books in your hand. You're carrying and you're going. Okay, what happened when you went to some XYZ place? You placed the books where some other books are kept. Okay, unknowingly you have received all the books or you picked up all the books from the table, and when you are back to your place and you see that I have bought some others book. Okay, so it was not intentional, but you have done it. It was not intentional, but you have done it. So this is known as without information you have bought it. It is an act of stealing. So cognitive kleptomaniac, no, he's just a cognitive. He was addicted of doing this. Okay, he was addicted of doing this. Okay, I hope students were able to understand cognitive kleptomaniac. Okay, so that's all about him. He's just a cognitive kleptomaniac, just a man who is crazy of stealing, or knowingly, unknowingly, he's doing the act of stealing. Okay, and the governor was tempted to add something else. Means he was, see, when you are sharing someone's secrets, or you're very much eager to tell someone's secret. So what happened? You want to say one, but multiple at the same time comes to you. Okay, if someone is collecting your or trying to instigate you, you start telling everything. So what happens here? Governor is trying to control his temptation, control his mood, and he's only sharing that only. It means that only particular information, that is cognitive kleptomania. Rest other he's controlling, is not sharing. Okay, and he's taking this task on him. On him means, so what the governor is doing is what he's doing. He's taking the task on him, means he will be taking the care of this man. Governor was tempted add something else, but he thought better of it. Okay, he had thought better of him to remain silent. He would look after that particular side of thing himself. He would look that particular side, means about that what are the issues, other issues of that person, refers to that Evans. So he will take care. He just shared about him. What was his problem? He was cognitive kleptomaniac. Presumably, said the secretary, you can arrange a room where. Okay, so he's asking, said the secretary, you can arrange a room where you need to arrange. No problem. He is in cell on his own. Means he's having his own cell where he's inside that prison. Or he's having. You have no objection. He can sit the exam in there. If there's no objection of yours, he can sit and write the examination from his room inside his cell. That's fine. That's a good idea. Okay. And we would easily get one of the parsons from St. Mary Marks. So students, just parson means the priest. Parson means priest. Okay. So from where the parsons will be coming, this priest will be coming from St. Mary Marks to invigilate if that's. What happens when examination is conducted? What are the number of teachers are allotted for teaching you all? Those teachers are not sufficient. They need more number of teachers to what? Do invigilation duty. So here, similar St. Mary Marks to invigilate that. So who will be called for that? St. Mary Marks. Who is he? By profession, he is a parson, a priest who attends to a church. Fine, yes, they seem to have a lot of parsons there. Okay, it's fine. There lots of parsons are there, don't they? The men chuckled good naturally and the secretary had a final thought. At least there is one thing: you should not have much trouble keeping all incommunicado, should you? Okay, so what is happening here? Last part. The two men chuckled in good nature, means they have a good conversation, and the secretary had a final thought. At least there is one thought. There is one thing, something, some question is going on in the mind of secretary. He should not have much trouble keeping in communication. I mean, you should restrict him with communication, with talking to each and everyone. You must not allow him to communicate with other people present in the cell and the teacher taking the examination, being invigilation duty. You must keep your eyes active. Okay. Should you? The governor chuckled politely once more, reiterated his thanks, means he returned his thanks back, and slowly cradled the phone. Means slowly he just bought the phone. Okay, cradled the phone means he just kept the phone down. Evans. What is his name? Evans. He is taking his name. Okay. I hope the first part, the characters, introductory idea, the conversation starts between secretary and the Oxford prison governor. These are the discussions I'm able to explain you till now. Students, just answer me back in the chat whether you are able to understand till here or not. Students, be active and reply to me quickly. Okay, reply me quickly whether you understood or not. Immediately reply me. Okay. Yes. Yeah, sir. Thank you. Arpan, thank you. Yeah, others. What about other students? Yeah, all. I hope all are able to understand. Yeah, other students are able to message me. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very good. Very good. Yes, thank you, students. I hope you are able to understand me. Whatever I have explained, you have understood till here. Let's go to the page number 72. The chapter here, the name starts. What is his name? Evans. Here it is. Big name, James Roderick Evan. Name seems to be a big impact on the audience or the people. But here, Evans the Break, what is called as Evans the Break. Means he has got the title as a break, the break. As a prison officer called him, thrice he had escaped from prison. So how many times? Thrice he had been escaped from the prison. But the recent wave of unrest in the maximum security establishment of North. So what happened? Where he is there at the present position, he's with the maximum security establishment upper North. It is where did it establish? It established towards the North. So what is his problem? He have been leaving or he have been escaping from the jail twice or thrice. Okay, students. So who? Ivan. So we learn now how people are doing his recovery or he himself recovered. Okay. So let's know about it. He would not now be tracing the governor's premises in Oxford. He must not be entering into the governor's provinces. Okay. Absolutely certain that he would not be disgracing them. He would not be disgracing. He should not curse him. He should not be unthankful towards what was happening. Not that even was a real burden, just a persistent nagging presence. Okay, just a persistent nagging means like you can chipku. Okay, continuously one is doing, he's focusing on that. And nagging means is just chipku in that part, but he's not sure what is really there, what is not. Okay. So I hope students, the thing is clear here till now. I hope thing is clear here till now. He would be already in Oxford through the governor's presence. So who will be taking the care of Ivan here? The governor. The governor will be taking care of the Ivan. Yes. Governor was going to make absolutely certain that he would be disgracing them. Not that Ivan was real burden, just a persistent nagging presence. He would be right in Oxford, though the governor would see that governor would see to it personally. Okay, means here is the problem. Who is the problem? Ivan is the problem, and here he will keep his eyes personally. Ivan was genuinely interested in O-level German. So he's stating that he was genuinely interested, means he was having lots of interest towards the this course. But what happened? Thing is something different in the part of Ivan. This course refers to the O-level German course. But just a slight possibility, just a very slight possibility, at 8:30 p.m. on Monday, 7th June, Ivan's German teacher shook him by the hand in the heavily guarded recreational block just across from D wing. Try to understand, students. At what time? Just to mark the dates here. At what time? 8:30 p.m. on Monday, 7th June. Okay, you just mark it down, these fellows. Okay, so what happened here? At 8:30 p.m. on Monday, 7th June. Students, just mark it down the time. Monday, 7th June. It started. What was the month? March. And today, when he's appearing the exam, it's month of June. That is Monday, 8:30 p.m. Ivan's German teacher shook by the hand, means they were doing the handshake, they were doing in the heavily guarded recreational block. A recreational block is a what? The block where official work, okay, is not done. Official work is not done, but our fooding, our other movements is available, where recreational mind relax, where there's always a crowd in the recreational block just across from the D-wing. It is just you have to cross the D-wing and you have to go to the recreational block. Okay, students, I hope you're able to understand till here. Okay, next what is saying? Guten Glück, here Ivans. Pardon. What you're saying? Guten Glück, here Ivans means good luck. Pardon, I said good luck. Good luck for tomorrow. Good luck for tomorrow. Oh, thanks, dear. I mean, Danken Sochen. I means welcome. Okay, you are welcome. Okay, so you haven't a catch in health's chance of getting through. Of course, I may surprise everybody, said Ivan. I'll surprise everybody. At 8:30 the following morning, Evans had just had a visitor, two visitors. Okay, at what time? 8:30 p.m. Examination was supposed to start by 8:30 on Monday, 7th June. And 8:30 p.m. the following morning, the Ivan had a visitor, not one visitor, two visitors. In fact, he tugged his Gerby strings. So what happened here, students? 8:30 morning. When it was 8:30 p.m. Monday, 7th June, and following morning means next day morning, it is 8:30. And before coming to that part of 8:30 morning, just see the conversation. See a student who has completed learning from the month of September and it's month of June, and definitely he won't be knowing thank you, sir, and he won't be knowing welcome, sir, properly. And when German teacher is asking, calling him, he remains silent. Sorry, I do not understand. This is the reaction. So you can understand, students, so how these lines are important, how these teachers are pulled for long time. Okay, so what long time means refers here? Yeah, I suppose everybody said Ivan. I may surprise everybody Ivan. So here Ivan is saying the next day in the morning or the event, I'll surprise everyone. With this restrictions, I'll surprise everybody. So this is his word, and with the conversation with the teacher. When teacher is having the conversation in the departure, teacher has marked everything. You have not a cat hill in chance of getting through. Means there's a full tight security. With this full tight security, you don't have a single chance to escape from here. So what you are going to do? I'm surprised, everybody said Ivan. So that's, I'm connecting it, students, with the path of fear. Okay, and it's what is going to happen next? I may surprise everybody. So that was there. Tension is there. What? Full tight security is there. but he set up it with his mind, his idea, his attitude, his set of mind, his appearance, and his reality. We'll see in the next upcoming part. Okay, so let's see the next part, next discussion. From here, again some new events, new part will be coming. Okay, students, so last class means we are going, means I'll be stopping, I'll be ending my discussion here only. So you remember the date, 8:30 p.m. on Monday 7th June, where the teacher was taking sign out. Next day 8:30, but then following morning we'll start this from here in the next class. So you can see, students, someone is spending long time and cannot understand the basic part. So there is something happening from these months and a student cannot understand. So there's some question mark is there, and this question mark answer we are going to get in the next class. Have patience, wait, do come up and understand in the next class why this question mark is there, what is the solution of that question mark. Okay, students, just I want to stop my class here with the E1 part. Next class will continue from here 8:30 p.m. Okay, so just this is what we can say before leaving the class. I want to just recall you, just if you're a new user, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't press the thumbs up to my video. Okay, at the end, don't forget to press bell icon. Okay, that's the end of today's class, students. Next class will continue from here. Next class will continue from here. Okay.